Good morning everyone. Today is another rainy, windy, wet day in Beverley. So what I thought is we'll come out, have a look at the market and kind of support some of the local traders. So come here to have a walk around. Right, we'll start off this rainy video. We're going to start with this stall here, which is selling lots of gardening stuff. I don't want to be out in my garden at the moment due to rain, but I'm out here filming for everyone. There's some nice fantastic things here. Make our way over to this side. Dandelion kisses. Lots of nice ornaments and things, and some nice brackets there for your house. On the other side is a bit more suitable for this kind of weather. We've got thermals, socks, hats. What else have we got? Some nice thick hats there. Perfect for this weather. Lovely. Even better over here, there's some nice warm blankets. Flipping heck, it's cold. Lovely blankets for this kind of weather. And some fleeces for keeping you warm on the evening. It is an absolutely horrible day. Let's work our way straight down this side first and we'll work our way over there and after. So might get some cover under here. So hoovers and stuff like that there. I'll get some cover under here. So yeah, if you need a vacuum, come down here and get one of them. These are dog treats here.
Yeah, alright, see you later.
It's a really nice market to come to during the week. It's really popular with coach trips as well. So yeah, if have a word with your local bus company, and they should be able to point you in the right direction to where to go. But there's lots of clothes here on this side here. So if you're looking for something suitable for wear for maybe an evening out or something like that, yeah, definitely worth going to. These are where your main stalls are. Let's have a walk down here. Might need to clean this camera again. So I drive my camera, just had a quick chat with one of the stall owners, and yeah, very good, nice chat with him. This one's selling lots of different types of taps, some scented candles, got some really nice ones here. Some diffusers there as well. Nice chopping board there. Let's go on to the other side and have a quick look at these ones. So this is a local butcher. Some nice sausages there, very nice. Still some cheeses there. And chutneys. I was talking to the gentleman regarding the stalls. Probably pay £50 per stall. There's one just around the corner that's paid. Well, it's got 3 stalls out, so he's obviously paying £150. He was saying that about 10 years ago there was a lot more stalls, and he showed me some pictures. I'll include them now. And he did say also there was a lot more coach trips that were coming to Beverley about 10 years ago. So lots of cards there. A lovely selection of cheeses here. little pick and mix, 3 for £5. It's £5, £6. There you go. And one thing I do probably need is an umbrella.
Is that from £5, sir?
Them umbrellas?
Umbrellas.
To be honest, I need one.
Oh, mate. Oh, you camera in?
Yeah, just for YouTube. Yeah, I'm just going around and thinking that I couldn't find my umbrella when I was before I came out. But yeah.
Well, I can lend you one if you go in
No,
and just fetch it back.
I should be all right. I've got my hoodie up. I'll put it back up in a minute. But yeah.
All right then.
Thank you.
All right. See you later.
In a minute, thank you.
Come and get your bag.
So yeah. Umbrellas £5 there. Lots of clothing, types of umbrellas there as well. Something we do need for this kind of weather as well. And plants and reefs there. These ornamental flowers as well. On this side. A little treat stall there as well. Wow, Dolly would be absolutely loving this.
Oh no.
I might pop back in a few minutes and go and get her something. So we've got lots of tasty food here as well. These breads are really nice. And the tomato one there is one to probably go for. Got donuts.
I've got some potatoes as well. I can get some of those red skin potatoes. Can't wait to get them.
The dirty donut.
It's all about 4 miles away.
Some more selection of pastries there. This is a real nice place to come to. It's the Rose Cottage Pantry. They do these real nice pot scratchings here. And the sausage rolls are really nice as well. If you can get them on there. We've got pork pies on there. Game pies, which I really do like. Steak and kidney pies. Chunky steak pies. Wow. Another butcher here. Hello. Load of selection of meats here. Fillet steaks. Pork chops. Just over there is a little bacon butty stall. All really nice. Get nice burgers from there, so definitely worth visiting that one. Let's have a look along. Oh, there's the fruit and veg over here as well. So let's go over there. Explore here. So if you'd like to buy someone some flowers or just want to cheer up your own home, some lovely flowers here. They're really nice then, aren't they? Wow, they're beautiful. So instead of going to your Tesco's, your Morrison's, your Sainsbury's, you can get your fresh veg from here. Supporting your local traders. So yeah. And this particular stall does go right down there as well, so if you want a banana, you know where to go. Treats for your dogs, your birds. Piggies down there. Hedgehog house. If you've got a pet hedgehog, you can... Lovely dog beds here as well. How much are them? £15 for them extra large ones. It's a good price, that. We've got the lovely whoopies. I've actually got a card for them as well. Curries. Hey, you alright?
Yeah, just wait.
Yeah, there's a lovely curry there. We've got Greek gyros here. Lovely selection of like Turkish food there, Turkish delight there.
She used to sell it this product after then she gave me.
Some lovely olives here.
She was doing. She got
This weather is terrible, as you can see by my hair. But this coffee, I've just got it from the coffee cabin. I'll show that on the screen. It's really, really nice. So I think this was for a regular black coffee was £2.30. Really has warmed me up. Like I was saying earlier, one of the traders did say to me that like 10 years ago there was all down here going right down to the market cross on this side as well, which would have been, well, to be honest, I remember seeing that. And the only one now today, which I understand it's a horrible day, so you maybe don't want to be out. But this place here, the Brickshed Brewery, they're doing mulled cider, mulled wine. Which looks really, really nice as well. Nice gift sets there. That's the mulled cider over there as well, which is £3 a cup. So I've had a real nice time walking around the market. It's really eye-opener talking to some of the traders as well, finding out how much they do pay per pitch, which he was saying it was £50 per stall. Like I say, one of them was paying £150. Obviously it must be worth it for that. They were saying for the Christmas markets they was paying £100 per stall, which in my eyes really, the council can maybe reduce them rates, but maybe see a lot more stalls here, which would be better for Beverley in general, and obviously help the town. But on that matter, really did enjoy this myself. Grabbed the coffee. I have got soaking wet, but we don't mind, we can soon dry off. I'd just like to say thanks for watching the video. If you can comment, that would be absolutely great. If you do like my videos, remember to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.